good together. There's a reason why they watch all night long.
Welcome everyone, this is Chance for Healthy Hair, and if you're watching this video, you made it to 2018. I want to say Happy New Year to everybody watching, and if you're watching this in the new year, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Today's video is going to be featuring one of my friends, or products I should say, that I discovered in 2017, and that product is the grapeseed oil. So today is going to be a hot oil treatment featuring my grapeseed oil. So I already have my bowl of hot water here in my applicator bottle, and I've had this sitting in the water for about 5 minutes. The reason why I put my bottle in a bowl of hot water instead of microwaving my oil, I won't lose all the nutrients in the oil that way. So if you want to put it in the microwave, by all means do so, but just keep in mind you're going to be losing a lot of nutrients that the oil has. So I'm going to just see how this is feeling. It's pretty hot. And my hair is just coming out of a bun. I haven't washed my hair in like 2.5 weeks, so it's kind of flaky. I'll attach a picture right here so you guys can see what I'm dealing with. Get in there for you guys as well. So you probably can see some of the flakes. I'm gonna just read off this. So it contains a lot of vitamin E, which is necessary for hair growth and health. It also has lots of protein, minerals, and offers a lot of great benefits for hair. Let's see what else. So basically, that's what makes grapeseed oil so good. So I'm just gonna section off another part of my hair. So I'm just going to take the applicator bottle and shake just to make sure if part of the oil wasn't warmed already, it's now mixed up nice and well. And before you put the oil on your scalp, you just want to take a little bit and test it on the back of your hand to make sure it's not too hot. So the reason why I like the applicator bottle is because it's going to get directly to my scalp. So I'm just going to run it through my scalp and squeeze. So now that I've put it in all my sections, I'm going to take my scalp massager here and just rub my scalp. And what this is helping it to do, it's helping to lift the dry scalp. My hair has been, was braided prior to my bun for about 1.5 weeks, and then I decided to bun it for the remaining half of the week. When I took it out of the braids, I did detangle my hair. It feels so nice. So after I finish massaging, I'm gonna take the oil, put it in my hands, and then rub it through the length of my hair. And I just want to saturate the length of my hair. And yes, this is on dirty hair. So saturate it. And then you can use like the pads of your fingers and massage. And massaging your scalp does help to lift any dead scalp as well as promote hair growth. I hope you guys can see that shine in my hair. When I wash my hair, that shine's still gonna be there. Not as intense, but it will help to give me a nice shine. Just want to make sure that you give some TLC to your elders, also known as your ends, and your newborns, which is your hair growth. So now that my hair is fully covered, doing one last nice massage, pads on my fingers. Okay. Just gonna go back in the back because it's still quite itchy. I'm going to allow the oil to sit for 30 minutes to an hour. And then once I do that, I'm going to just do my wash routine. So I'll wash my hair with shampoo 2 times. Once I'm done that, I will put in my conditioner, and I'll allow my conditioner to stay in my hair for the remainder of my shower. I haven't deep conditioned in quite some time, so I might just end up leaving my conditioner on and turning into a deep conditioning, which I might leave in for anywhere from 30 minutes to 2 hours. And then I'll just style my hair. Most likely I'll just end up putting my hair back in some braids, or I don't really know. I have been protective styling, trying to just keep my hair up and away or back and away, and just to limit my hands going in my hair. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video and you're excited for the new year, please thumbs up, subscribe, and share. And again, Happy New Year to everybody. I hope all your dreams come true this year. And you know, let's make this year our year, 2018, guys. Bye.
Drop top Porsche, rollie on my wrist, diamonds up and down my chain. Cardi B straight stunning, can't tell me nothing. Bossed up and I changed the game.